Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you solve the Unarc.dll error code 1. First, ensure your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements. This error often occurs due to insufficient resources. Also, check that you have at least 2 GB of free disk space beyond the game's size on the target drive. Finally, temporarily disable any antivirus software, as it can sometimes interfere with the extraction process, causing this specific error to appear. Next, consider that the downloaded game or archive might be corrupted. Re-download it from a trusted source. If the issue persists, try using a different file extraction tool, such as 7-zip or WinRAR, instead of the default Windows extractor. These tools often handle large archives more robustly. Additionally, if checksums are provided, verify the integrity of your downloaded files to confirm they are complete and undamaged. Moving on to system-level solutions, make sure your operating system is fully updated to its latest version. Outdated system files can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Also, run a thorough disk check for errors on the drive where you are attempting the extraction. Bad sectors can lead to file corruption. Lastly, increasing your virtual memory or paging file size to at least 8 GB can often resolve resource-related Unarc.dll errors. For more advanced troubleshooting, try extracting the files while in Windows Safe Mode, which runs with minimal drivers and programs, reducing conflicts. Ensure you have the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages installed, as these are crucial for many applications. If all else fails, reaching out to the game's official support forums or community can provide specific solutions, as others may have encountered and resolved this exact error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.